Death Valley is an intermountain depression in the Mojave Desert, in the Great Basin in the western United States in the state of California, southeast of the Sierra Nevada mountain range. The valley is home to the lowest point in North America. It also includes most of the Death Valley National Park. Please like this video and subscribe to this new channel, and you will see many more interesting and useful things. On July 10, 1913, the highest air temperature in the Western Hemisphere was set in the valley 56.7 C. It is part of the geological province of valleys and ridges. The height of the highest mountain next to the Valley of Death Telescope Peak 3,367 meters. The depth of the Badwater Basin is 86 meters below sea level, which is the lowest point on the Earth's surface in North America. It is noteworthy that just 136 kilometers from the depression is the highest point of the continental United States. Mount Whitney, 4,421 meters high. The moving stones of the dried-up Raystrick Playa Lake. The Devil's Pit is a karst cave partially filled with water. Its exact depth is unknown. The flooded part starts 30 meters from the surface today. The entrance to it has a size of about 5.1 meter. Death Valley is known as the hottest place on Earth, and the driest place in North America. Rainfall is about 5 millimeters per year, although floods sometimes occur. The average maximum temperature in July reaches 46 C, dropping to 30–31 C at night. The world record for the highest air temperature of 134 F was set on July 10, 1913 near the area of Furnace Creek. This is the highest temperature ever recorded on Earth. Some meteorologists dispute the reliability of these data. The last highest temperature was set in the summer of 2021 and was 54.4 C. The coolest time is from the end of November to February 5 to 20th C, when there are often prolonged heavy rains. From time to time there are slight frosts. Snow also falls, although rarely. The average annual temperature in the period from 1961 to 2008 was 24.8 C. The lowest temperature was recorded in January 1913 in the area of the Greenland Ranch and was -10 C. The average annual precipitation ranges from 40 millimeters in areas below sea level to 380 millimeters in the mountains surrounding the valley. There were no rains in 1929 and 1953. The driest area of the Earth received only 1.6 centimeter of precipitation in the 40-month period from 1931 to 1934. Death Valley is the home of the Timbisha Indian people, who moved here at least 1,000 years ago. Several families of these people still live in the valley in the vicinity of Furnace Creek. The name of the valley in their language means stone paint and is associated with the valley as a source of paint based on red ochre. Another village in the valley was located in Grapevine Canyon, near the present-day location of Scotty Castle. The village was called Mahunu, which means Grand Canyon. The valley got its modern name in 1849 during the California Gold Rush, when gold was found here and a gold digger died from the terrible heat. After his death, his comrades decided to give the area the name Death Valley. In the 1850s, gold and silver mining was carried out in the valley. In 1933, by decision of President Hoover, Death Valley came under the protection of the federal government.